let's repair our polytunnel. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everybody, and today's job is we're going to start repairing our polytunnel. As some of the skin is ripping, so we need to repair it. It's been ripping for quite a lot of years now, but I keep repairing it every single year and it lasts another year, which is what I want, because I don't want to have to replace it, because it's a big job replacing the polytunnel skin, digging all the trench out and putting all the skin on top and fastening it all up. So I'm making it last as long as possible. It's lasted about 16 years now. But yes, we're going to put some more tape on and hopefully repair it. So let's have a look what we're doing today. So as you can see, it's split all the way down the side, which it tends to split on the creases, which is what it's done. It's split down that bottom bit as well. So we need to get it all repaired. But we've purchased some waterproof tape, so hopefully it'll last a lot longer than the tape that I've got on at the moment. So let me show you the tape. So this is the waterproof tape that I've purchased. So that's what we're going to use to repair it with and hopefully get it all fixed again. And hopefully it'll last another year down at the plot. Every year I keep saying it's going to go, it's going to go. But yeah, every year we seem to get it to last a lot longer. So yeah, let's get it on. So we have repaired the polytunnel. My dad helped me do it. He was on the outside while I was fastening it on the inside, and then I did it on the outside as well, so that it's got a double layer of protection so that it doesn't get wet, as obviously my polytunnel skin has slipped, so there is gaps in it, so the tape does look like it's over the gaps if you look like that. But yeah, hopefully it'll last, as I've used this polytunnel tape before and it's lasted years. Like this bit over there, that's been up probably about 5-6 years. That's proper polytunnel tape. The black stuff seems to come off really easy as it dries out, but that stuff stays forever and does a fantastic job. So yeah, we've got lots taped up. As you can see, the split goes on for miles. That's why we have to keep it protected, because once it goes, it'll go, the whole lot will go. So we keep taping it up and it keeps lasting another year down here, and another year of being able to grow in warm heat, which is even better. But like I said, once the skin goes, I'll probably just net over it and use it as a growing place indoors with a net over it, as I probably wouldn't be able to get a skin over it nowadays. It's too hard a job for me to do, to get a new skin on it. But yeah, fingers crossed it lasts another year down here at the plot. So thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos and stay up to date with our progress. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.